Now let's add an image. Okay, for each of book we want user to upload the image. So if you go into the books table, we don't have image, so let's add one image here. So for that we have to make extra migration file, and we'll add that column to our existing migration file. So we have a books as a migration file. So if you go here, if we go in the database and in the migration, we have this books table. We can obviously go here and make a new string and image here, but if we do and again migrate, then we may lose data. Okay, so the other way I want to show you is to add and make a new column and add to the books table, existing books table. So it's all about the command. So I'll show you how we can do that. So clear it and just write here php addition make migration, and you have to write add as a prefix and what you want to add, underscore, and you want to add image field, right? image field, and you write to where you want to write in the books table, right? So here will be books, add image to books, and you'll write table here, table table, and then you'll give dash dash space dash dash table, and again you'll give here the name of the table. Okay, it creates your new file, and here is the new file, and you can see that means here also we have the books, and now here also we have the books. That means we are going to add the new column into the books, but in the from the different file. So here I write table, and then here I write string, and I write image. That's all. And again here I'll write table and drop column. So when you roll back, we need to delete this as well, so I'll write a drop column. So again, this piece of code we can write here as well. We can just copy and just paste over here as well. Okay, sorry, how it comes. This piece of code, which is dollar string name, we can obviously write here, and we can do php addition migrate colon fresh. It will create new image column into the book table. But when you do that, we have a data, right? We lose our data. We lose all the data in from the books table. So I think the better way is to create a new migration file for the books and add whatever we want to add here. Now if we do php addition migrate, php addition migrate, it will create the image now, and you can see we have now image and we still have all the data here, right?